Do you want to know how you can check the continue watching option in Tubi TV? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start continuing to watch the movie or series you left before and now you can watch it again. So scroll down and you can see that there's a continue watching section. You can click on any movie and it will start from the place where you left. Now you can go ahead and click on this and it will lead you to a separate page and you can continue to watch. Now go to account settings and you can see continue watching. You can go ahead and watch the movie again from this section, and if you want to delete it, you can simply click on delete and it will be deleted. So if you tap on any movie, it will lead to where you started to watch or you stopped to watch. Now to delete the continue watching option, you can just press delete and then it will be deleted. You can also delete all of the continue watching and then you can start fresh. So this is how you can check continue watching option in Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.